we're working on a Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 23 horsepower. We're replacing the two coils that promote the spark. I just want to go over this a little bit with you. So I got the cover off. Here's the cover. This is the cover. You can see on the cover we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the other side we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's 8 nuts that we have to take off to get this cover off. And once we get that off, you have these coils that are exposed. This is the new one. This is the old one. This one gets strapped on right here. You can kind of see the mark. Make sure you have some twist ties to twist tie this back. We have to reuse the boot if you don't have the boot, if they didn't order new ones. So I got the boot, and then this guy's right here. Whenever we do this, you want to make sure that you replace the spark plug also. I like to use a 7mm socket to take these off and on because these tend to kind of get stuck in there because of corrosion. So you get that off. You have a filler gauge. These are supposed to be anywhere between 10 and 14 thousandths of an inch. I like to get it closer to 11 or 10 just because that's what the factory has set up. You can see on this old one, it's all not rusty, but just old, and this guy's new. So I wired this guy back all the way up to put the new boot on. Okay, and I got the new spark plug in, got that on. Put this new grommet, or put the grommet back on, wire this to where it's not going to get hit by the fan or anything else. I'm going to take the second one off, take it off, and then I don't necessarily use this feeler gauge to get it down set on there and do the gap on there. I like to use an A&E business card, the leader in pressure washer, and that usually is about 11 thousandths of an inch. Can be 10 if you push this guy down hard enough. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy off, put the new one on, get the business card in there, and I'm going to push it down with my 2 fingers is good enough. Push it down, tighten these bolts up, take that business card out, and then I'm going to take my filler gauge and make sure that that thing is where it's supposed to be, between 10 and 14 thousandths. I'm going to get this all back together. I'll come back with another video and kind of show you what it looks like when I put it back together.